Insurance companies may not always have your back like they say they do. If you've been watching our videos here at Home Perfect, then you have seen a lot of testimonials in regards to this topic. The common theme here is evident. As a homeowner, when you get insurance, you believe that they got you covered when anything goes wrong in your home. In small cases, that may be true at times, but in cases that are more severe, they may not hold the same regard to you and your home. I know what you're thinking. Why is that? Some of these insurance companies are filled with non-contractors that have no liability when it comes to your home. And as a for-profit, they try to utilize the cheapest option they can find through their preferred vendors. We at Home Perfect have seen a devastating amount of homeowners getting tossed through these preferred vendors, and their quality of work giving more problems than solutions. And what's worse, the communication throughout the process could make anyone frustrated. Due to the lack of understanding these insurance agents have with the scope of work that's necessary, it is tough to know if you're really getting what you pay for. Could you risk not being able to get your home back exactly the way it was just to save a buck? Don't risk your home and choose the non-preferred option, Home Perfect. Our client testimonies and work speak for themselves. Our communication with you is important, and we work for you, not your insurance company. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to give us a call, 951-303-1333. Thank you.